Mama. Mama. Good morning, everybody. Beautiful people. Just out here taking my dog out. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not new here, hi, welcome back. Hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit that little notification bell if you haven't already. So today I'm just doing like a day in the life of a mom of three. I'm just walking my dog right now. I just woke up. I'm walking her, making sure she uses the bathroom. So yeah, beautiful people, how are you? Come on, boom. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. I love my backyard because it has like this big tree with a whole bunch of flowers on them. You can't really see them, but they all fall off in the summertime like this. Hi, mama. Hi, mama. Hi. Just throwing out the trash, guys. I definitely want to rent one of these. So nice. Hey, you guys. So, I just finished working out. Sorry, that's why I look all sweaty and hot. But I'm just out here walking my dog again. It's the afternoon. It's about 6 o'clock. I didn't get to vlog a lot today, but I'm just out here walking my dog. Again, I walk her like 3 to 4 times a day just to make sure she doesn't pee in the house. She's trained though. She doesn't she doesn't go in the bathroom in the house. So guys, if you don't follow me on social media, sorry, I'm all sweaty, guys. I was just working out. If you don't follow me on social media, I just bought a new car. It's right there. That Hummer, I just bought it. Yeah, guys. So this is the new car. I really like it. I'm in love with it, guys. Hi, mamas. Hi, baby. Say hi to the camera. Okay, you guys, so I just bought this rug and I think it's like amazing. I love it. I just bought it the other day for my living room and I love it. Hey guys, so I'm just sitting here feeding Nelly. Come on, mama. She's just learning how to eat, guys, so she like spits it out and stuff. She's just learning how to eat. Say hi to the camera, Nelly. She loves to eat though, as you can tell. She's very well fed. She loves to eat, guys. Say hi to the camera, Nelly. Say hi. This is mango baby food that I'm feeding her. She loves it, guys. She's like her mama. Her mama loves mango, right? Right, mama? It's love mango. It's love mango, mama. It's love mango, mama. Oh yeah. This morning I fed her some oatmeal. Say hi to the camera. I think she's trying to say hi, guys. Yeah, mama. I think she's trying to say hi.
You don't have to act strong.
Watching the Shy. What are you doing, yelling? What are you doing, yelling? What are you doing, yelling? Hi. 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 Say hi. Hi.
Like a fire that burns so bright. I was there.
Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is the next day of my vlog. Sorry guys, I had a little pimple right there and popped it. And it's scarred. So right now I just woke up. Say hi. She doesn't have no clothes on. It's so hot over here. I woke up and I took a shower, and I'm going to the mechanics to put AC in the Hummer because when I bought it, the AC had a leak. So we gotta go fix that. So now I'm going to my mechanic to see what's the problem or how much he's gonna charge me or whatever. Subscribe guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe. Oh, that pimple killed my face. It gave me a big old scar. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. So this is like a next day vlog. So yeah, I'll let you know when I get there. Hey beautiful people, so I'm back from taking the Hummer to get fixed. I'm back home. I'm gonna get the girls dressed. So yeah.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars don't look like they're faded, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battles.
Growing up I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe. Everything you see reminds you of what you're not or something you won't be. You gotta take what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business. Not because they wanna do it, just because they heard it pays. And who the fuck wants to be poor knowing that's how we've been raised? Society is getting heavy, I can feel the weight. The pressure of success is like 100 million pounds of shame. And that's the reason I'm staying up late, trying to find a way to escape the stereotypes this day and age is making me feel like the only way I'll be happy.
I wanted to tell you, I forgot to tell you guys about the Hummer. I dropped it off and the guy said that it wasn't a leak, it was the air compressor or something like that, the AC compressor. So I had to that came out of pocket. I had to come out of pocket like $250 for that. And then he's gonna charge me $300 to put it in. because it's a big job. Like, I can't really explain how he explained it to me, but basically those compressors, they get filled with gas, like a fluid, like an air conditioner fluid, gas or something, and you gotta drain it, if not the compressor goes bad. So that's exactly what happened to the compressor of that car. So basically I had to pay $500 to get that fixed, but it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Right now I'm running, he's still fixing the Hummer, so I'm not gonna go pick it up yet. I'm just running to the store to the store and to the bank to make a withdrawal, and I'm gonna go to the store out here called BD's. They got a lot of nice furniture and stuff in there. They got curtains, bathroom stuff. Like, I love going in there. I go crazy every time I go in there. So I'm about to go in there and buy another rug for my living room, because the rug that I have now is like too small to fit the whole living room space. So I'm gonna go and buy another one so that I could put it together and fill the space that's left on the floor. So yeah, guys, come with me. Subscribe, remember, subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm here. This is the store. This is called BD's Furniture. I'm just gonna go get a rug really fast, but they have so nice stuff in here. Like, it's amazing. All the stuff that they have in here is so nice. They're a little bit pricey, but it's okay. I love their stuff. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, I forgot, guys, they even have like clothes and stuff like that. They have a lot of stuff. They have a lot of stuff. I think these are so cute. These little dresses. I want one. I know it's a large, but it's stretchy. I don't know. I probably won't get one though. So let's walk through the store, guys. I found this pretty eyeshadow for $150. It has like green and stuff. I like it. Let's walk through the store. Oh, they got baby cribs and stuff. That's so pretty. They got like everything in here. It's like a little, they even got bathing suits. Wow, they have a lot of nice stuff. I guess they have mirrors in every corner. I love mirrors, guys. They got like party supplies. Garbage cans, like cleaning supplies. Oh, they got like little figures. All these little figures. Oh, they are so pretty. Wow. Look at these. They got watermelons. Oh, and they're only $1. They're like lemon squeezers. I want one. They're only $1. So look at the furniture, guys. Look at that little vanity. It's only $100. A little vanity. I want it. I think I'm gonna come get it. If I could fit it in my bedroom. I will definitely come get it. Oops. Look at these picture frames over here. So nice. Guys, look at how nice this mirror is for like a living room. I would love this. Oh my God, it's only $30. I think I'm gonna come back and get it. But I got the rug. It's right here. So yeah, let's go pay for it. Look at all this. Beautiful. It's like a fireplace. It's beautiful. Hey guys, so I'm back from the store. I'm actually in the car driving home. I'm not gonna go to the bank right now. I just gotta go figure something out because the mechanic just called us and told us that the compressor doesn't work. The one that I bought, brand new in the box. So I have to go pick it up and go return the compressor so that I can get a new one and bring it back to him so he could put it in. Oh, what a stressful day. But all right, I'll do that. I'll let you guys know in a minute what happens. So it's working again, guys. The Hummer is working. The AC is blowing cold, cold air.